She is feeding the sandpipers. She's throwing sand fleas at them. They're white little crabs. Live in the sand here. That's it. Okay, she is the sandpiper queen of feeding. Oh, there's some more. Here we go, Bugs. Here we go. Hurry up, throw it to him. Come on, find that sand flea. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, Sonora. Okay, she'll get you another bunch out there. All right, go scoop some more. There she is, scooping some more. Looking for shark's teeth, sand fleas.